Otamatone. Otamatone is a musical instrument that creates beeps, slides, and everything in between, all in a musical fashion. It has a pressure-sensitive slide bar for producing tones and squeezable cheeks to change the tone of the notes being played. Otamatone has 3 ranges to play with: low, mid, and high. How to play Otamatone. So how exactly is Otamatone played? Pressing anywhere on the touch bar will produce a beep. Pressing and sliding on the touch bar will create an ascending or descending sound. These 2 techniques can be combined to create musical sounds with a more natural vibrato. Squeezing the cheeks of Otamatone adds another layer of tonality for even more sound options. With some practice and patience, Otamatone can be quite the expressive instrument. Otamatone demonstration.